The correct answer is girls. Spelling challenge. Number 1, resolution. 4, 3, show your answer. Ang pau na una. Show your answer. Resolution. Both are wrong. Ink. Okay, 2, 1. Resolution. Resolution. Show your answer. Resolution. Ink. Mali. Ano? Dede? Ano? Ano na girls ang ingod sang R? Ha? E? Resolution. The correct answer is the girls. Number 2, Philippines. Philippines. 5, 4, 3. Philippines. Both are ink. Mali. Okay, next. Philippines. Philippines. Show your answer. Okay, correct na ang boys. Okay, 1 point boys, 1 point girls. Okay, number 3, collaborate. Collaborate. Bo, grabe. Show your answer. Collaborate. Pakita na yung sa boys. Show your answer. Boys. Okay, correct ang boys. Collaborate. 2 points, boys. 1 point. Biyo, Ibuya. 1 point. Girls. Number 4, crocodile. 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 Show your answer. Crocodile. So, ang nauna nga nagpakita sa answer is the girls. So, 2 points ang girls, 2 points ang boys. Number 5, friendship. 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 Show your answer. Both are wrong. Okay, friendship. Friendship. Show your answer. Okay, boys are correct. 3 points boys, 2 points girls. Number 6, arrival. 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 Show your answer. Una ang girls nagpakita sa iyang answer. Girls are correct. 3-3. Medication. 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 Show your answer. Una ang girls. 1 point for girls. Pila ng score? 4 girls, 3 boys. Number 7, management. Management. Shh. No coaching. Show your answer. Both are wrong. Next. Show your answer. Dari. De? Management, okay. The girls are correct. Girls 5, 3 boys. Number 9, receive. Receive. Number 9, receive. Okay. The correct answer is girls. Una ang I sa I. Receive. Okay, girls are 6 points, 3 points sa boys. Number 10, language. Language. Show your answer. Ink. Mali. Okay, the correct answer is the girls.